Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming from the digital studios of Market Club. And 1 week after we saw the stock market making gains, we retreated back into negative territory with all three indexes posting weekly losses and continuing to be bound in a sideways trading range. This week's weakness is due to a rally in crude oil prices, a pickup in government bond yields as inflation rises, and geopolitical uneasiness around the globe. And as we'll take a look, currently the S&P 500 down a little bit on the day, Dow Jones up a little bit on the day, and the Nasdaq down a little bit on the day. Kind of an overall mixed picture as we're seeing everywhere. But we'll start with the S&P 500 currently with a chart analysis score -55, indicating that we are in a sidelines position with a red monthly and a green weekly trade triangle. Key level to watch will be 2,594.62. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating that we would be back into a possible short position for the S&P 500, pushing the chart analysis score to -100. As you can see, currently down a little over 0.5% on the week. Moving along to the Dow Jones, much the same picture as the S&P 500. Chart analysis score is a little different with a +60 because of that green daily trade triangle. However, we do still have a red monthly and a green weekly trade triangle, indicating that we are in a sidelines position for the Dow Jones. Key level to watch should be 23,531.31. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a possible short position for the Dow. And currently right now, looking about down 0.4% on the week, pretty close to what the S&P 500 is posting. We'll take a look at the Nasdaq. Currently with a chart analysis score of +75, the only one of the three indexes to have a green weekly trade triangle in play at the moment. Key level to watch is 6,991.14. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for the Nasdaq. Currently trading down a little over 0.5% on the week, or 42 points currently as we stand. Moving along to the dollar index, who after posting a weekly loss last week is posting a gain of a little over 1.2% on the day with a chart analysis score of +100, indicating that we are in a long position with green trade triangles across the board. Key level to watch should be 91.28. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for the strong US dollar. And we get to crude oil, currently trading at 71.32, up 1.03% on the week, continuing its third week of weekly gains right now with a chart analysis score of +90 with green trade triangles across the board, indicating that overall the long-term trend is up for crude and strengthening. And taking a look at gold, after posting a gain last week, it's currently down 2.1% on the week with a chart analysis score -90 with red trade triangles across the board, indicating that the strong downtrend is in place for gold. And our key level to watch is 1,296.40. A move above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle, indicating an exit from a short-term short position for gold. We'll take a look at Bitcoin here as we wrap up the week. We'll take a look at BRTI. Currently following last week's big loss with a 2% loss on the week with a chart analysis score -60 with a green monthly and a red weekly trade triangle, indicating that we are in a sidelines position for Bitcoin. Key level to watch will be 9,925.55. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long position for Bitcoin. However, what you want to watch for through the weekend and into the beginning part of next week is 8,000 level. If it was to break below that, we could see it test the 7,800 level, which is close to the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement. And if that were to happen, we could see Bitcoin head as low as 7,000. So definitely something to keep an eye on for all you Bitcoin traders out there, as looks like the Bitcoin bears have sunk their teeth into Bitcoin presently. With that, every success. Have a great trading week. I will be out next week, so there won't be any videos, but I'll follow up after Memorial Day with that. So everyone have a great trading week, a great Memorial Day, and I'll talk to you down the road.